Hello students, as we completed our 4 lessons in past videos and have given homework also, test also on portal. Hope you solved that, did all the homework and revise. You should have to see all these videos again and again, revise it and study properly. In this video, in this today's new video, we are going to start our 5th lesson of 10th standard, that is natural vegetation and wildlife. Natural vegetation and wildlife. Okay, vegetation and wildlife, how it is. It has given of again comparison between Brazil and India, both countries. Vegetation, naisargik vanaspati, as we say that. Wildlife is all the life of animals. Okay, how it is. So natural vegetation and wildlife, that is the heading of or name of our lesson. See, this is new type of video for you. I brought you before. See on the screen, contents have given. See it, read it properly and listen me carefully. Okay, all these pictures, flora and fauna of Brazil. Vanaspati आणि प्राणीशास्त्र, the life of animals, plants, all has given. See here, observe all these. Figure number 5.1 in your textbook, flora and fauna of Brazil. Okay, see properly, then according to that we will give you explanation of this. Observe the images shown in figure number 5.1. okay, and discuss on the basis of the following points. Can you tell the names of the plants and trees? Can you name the plants and trees shown in the image? Can note down, can write down all these names. These names, find out on the internet. That is the homework for you. Okay, note down all these questions in your notebook. Where have you seen these plants before? That you should have to tell. Name the fauna shown in the image and where have you seen them before. Okay, these animals where you have seen. This bird, then tiger, then I think anaconda is there. This type of flora and fauna of Brazil has shown in this picture. So note down all these answers in your notebook and observe that properly. So you might have recognized the species shown above and discuss them because there is similarity between them and many Indian species. But these species are found in Brazil also. Look for their names, and now we will study about the variety of flora found in Brazil. Flora found in Brazil, vegetation found in Brazil. We will see that. So in figure number 5.2, rainfall, flora and fauna of Brazil have been shown in the cross profile along with physiography. So physiography and drainage system we have seen in last video, in last lesson of Brazil. So in this lesson rainfall, flora and fauna of Brazil have been shown. So that cross profile has shown along with physiography. This physiography, natural vegetation and wildlife has shown. Okay. Though so this image is also important according to your examination. Okay. The change occurring in the above elements while going from the north to south is clearly seen here in this diagram. Discuss about this in the class and write a note about it. You should have to observe this properly and according to our explanation write note on it. So while teaching I am giving markings according to your exercise question and extra questions, important questions also. So all these you should have to note down properly. Okay. Brazil vegetation means Brazil मधील वनस्पती शास्त्र. Okay, vegetation, how it is, plants, trees, forest, types of forest, types of plants, how it is, we are going to see. In Brazil, rainfall varies. Differences are there, changes due to the physiography. Physiography, we have seen dense forest, Amazon basin. Okay, Paraguay, Parana basin, we have seen in the south. In the north, Amazon river basin has shown. So in most parts of the equatorial region, especially, it rains throughout the year in Brazil. So note down this point. I am going to show you this point. You should have to note down. Brazil vegetation. Write short note on Brazil vegetation. So in those in that question you should have to write down 4-5 points. Okay. For example, it will ask for 4 marks or 2 marks. Then you can differentiate your answer. So this point you can write. In most parts of the equatorial region, it rains throughout the year. That is your first point. Okay. As one moves away from the equator, the number of rainy days as well as amount of rainfall reduces. So as we move from the equator line, the number of rainy days as well as amount of rainfall reduces. Means when we are away from equator, that rainfall is less. So again this point also you can point out. Point number 2 for your answer. Okay. Then this is according to final examination. Okay. So note down properly. This affects the life cycle of the vegetation too. What affects? Rainfall throughout the year. This affects the life cycle of vegetation too. So that image has given. See, physiography, natural vegetation and wildlife. So that physiography of Guyana Highlands, Amazon basin. See here, this Guyana Highlands, then Amazon basin, Parana basin and Brazil. This one, Brazil. Highlights are given. Then see height in meters here given. Then distance also 400 kilometers here, 400 kilometers, 1200 kilometers, that extent of Brazil. Okay, 2800 kilometers, 3600 kilometers. Okay, then that height in meters 500 meter, then 1000 meter. This height has given. Various types of apes, reptiles, सरपटणारे प्राणी, arboreal and aquatic animals, all this has given. Here tropical forest, this is the area of tropical forest, equatorial forest, Guyana highland and Amazon basin, then deciduous forest in Parana basin, grassland animals means गवत खाणारे प्राणी, चारा खाणारे प्राणी, हिरव्या वनस्पती खाणारे प्राणी. Reptiles, here reptiles has given, reptiles and grassland animals in temperate forest. That height has given 600 that average rainfall 600 millimeter here in temperate forest, 600 millimeter rainfall, 1200 millimeter rainfall, 1500 millimeter rainfall, 2000 millimeter rainfall in equatorial forest, 600 millimeter rainfall. Then this is temperature. This one has given this 21 degrees Celsius, 28 degree, 21 degree, 23 degree, 27 degree has given, and height also given. Average rainfall, height, then height in meter, natural vegetation, physiography, all has given. So practice this diagram at home. It will ask, maybe ask in examination, and solve your test which I have given. Differentiate your answers. While teaching, I am giving questions. That is the homework for you. Practice this diagram properly. In next video, next part we will see. Have a nice day. Thank you so much.